How to add animated text to Instagram stories. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to add animated text to Instagram stories. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app, and then we need to start creating story as you normally would do. For example, I will take a photo and choose background for it. After this, we need to tap on text tool at the top and write your text. To animate this text, you need to tap on animation tool at the top. And now you will see a preview of text animation. If you change the font size of the text, the animation style will change as well. Also, you can change this text as usual. When you finished, just click on Done at the top right corner. Then you can drag your text wherever you would like to. And post your story when you're done just by clicking on arrow at the bottom at the right corner and tap Share. And done. When your followers watch your story, they will see your wonderful animated text. And that's all. It was how to add animated text to Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.